Let's continue with the psyche model of Carl Jung. If you look, you can also see two other stuff here, that is the shadow and Anima-Animus. Okay, so first we'll talk about the Anima-Animus and later I'll come to the shadow. Okay, so before talking about the Anima-Animus, I want you guys to understand the concept of masculine and feminine qualities. Okay, so masculine qualities are, okay, first of all, this has nothing to do with the gender. Masculine qualities are where you are assertive, okay, that standing up for yourself or being assertive, being rational or logical, all of that stuff is the masculine energy. And the feminine energy or the feminine qualities is where you are being very loving or nurturing, caring, creative, empathetic, all of that stuff is feminine qualities, okay. Now the anima is the feminine qualities which are suppressed within a male. And the animus is the male qualities which are suppressed within a female. And Jung tells us that we have to find a balance between both, okay? If you're just having completely feminine qualities or completely masculine qualities and you're suppressing the other half or the other part of yourself, then you can have imbalances in your life. Now coming to the shadow. So earlier I had mentioned, right, the ego doesn't like certain things and it suppresses it down into your unconscious. So within the combined unconscious, there's this thing called as the shadow, and this is the hidden, darker side of yourself, okay? And it's only when you go there and embrace your shadow will you be knowing your true self, okay? Just like how you cannot run away from your actual shadow, like you're standing somewhere and there's light and you cast a shadow, right? Just like how you cannot run away from that, you cannot run away from your psychological shadow too. In fact, if you try to run away or you abandon or neglect or ignore this shadow, that is when people have psychological disorders or issues. I mean, really think about it. This shadow is also a part of you, okay? Though it is darker and something which you don't really want to acknowledge the presence of, like you don't want to even think that you have such desires, or because you always just want to be seen as this good person, so you don't want to accept that you have these kind of desires or stuff within you. So if you just abandon it, you're not truly accepting yourself. If you truly want to love yourself, if you truly want to accept yourself, then you have to accept that shadow also, because that's also a part of you, right? And this is where the self comes up, okay? Self, you can see it in the center, and this self is the true self, okay? That is what you truly are. What are you really capable of? What are your real potential? What do you like in life, okay? What are you really at the true essence, that true core? What are you? Who are you really? That is your self, your true self. And this you'll come to know only if you combine your conscious and your unconscious. Only if you embrace your light and your dark. You need both of those, and only then will you come to know your true self. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful, and if it was, do let me know in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you really liked it. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.